ओके, अभी दूसरा टॉपिक में चलता है स्ट्रेट लाइंस, और स्टार्टिंग में एक सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि लेट पी एस बी मीडियन ऑफ ट्रायंगल विथ वर्टिसेस पी क्यू एंड आर। सो एज्यूम दिस इज द ट्रायंगल P with vertex 2, 2 and Q which is 6, -1 and R 7, 3. So PS is the median. So this is the median and this point is S. We know median cuts the other end at its midpoint. So point S would be 6 plus 7, that is 13 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So point S is 13 by 2, 1. Now we have to find the equation of a line which is passing through 1, -1 and is parallel to line PS. So if line is parallel to PS, then slope of line is equals to slope of PS. Therefore let slope be 1. Now that slope would be 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 13 by 2, that is 1 by 4 minus 13 by 2, which is minus 2 by 9. So we got the slope, that is minus 2 by 9, and the point is already given in the question. We have to find the equation of a line which is parallel to PS and is passing through the point 1, -1. So the equation of required line is y minus of -1, which is y plus 1, is equals to slope into x minus 1. Simplifying this हमें मिलेगा 9y plus 9 इज इक्वल्स टू -2x प्लस 2. तो एक्स वाई टर्म्स को एक साइड ला लें, ये हो गया 2x प्लस 9y एंड प्लस 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द रिक्वायर्ड लाइन. सिंपल सा लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन करते हैं. गिवन दैट a, b, c and d आर नॉन जीरो नंबर्स and point of intersection of lines 4ax plus 2ay plus c is equals to 0 and 5bx plus 2by plus d is equals to 0. इन दोनों पॉइंट्स का इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में है. सो लेट इट बी समवेयर like this and like this. This is the intersection point and it is equidistant from both the axes. So if this is equidistant from both the axes, we know in fourth quadrant points are in the form x and minus y. So if x is equals to y, then it would be x and minus x, because it is given both are equidistant. Then if we assume one to be x, then the other has to be minus x. Now coming to the question, we have to find the intersection of both these lines. So there are lot of constants involved. So let us use Cramer's rule. That would be 2a c 4a and 2a, and this is x y 1. In the same way 2b and d, 5b and 2b. So in Cramer's rule we write x by 2a into d, that is 2ad minus 2b into c, 2bc is equals to y by c into 5b, that is 5bc minus d into 4a, that is 4ad is equals to 1 by 4a into 2b, which is 8ab minus 2a into 5b, 10ab. So x comes out to be 2 into ad minus bc by minus 2ab. So 2 gets cancelled, x is equals to BC minus AD by AB. In the same way, we write y is equals to 5BC minus 4AD by minus 2AB. So y is equals to 4AD minus 5BC by 2AB. ओके, हमें x आ गया, y आ गया. जैसे हमने यहाँ देखा x coordinate is x, then y coordinate would be minus x. So sum of both the coordinates is 0. तो उसी तरह sum of both the coordinates should be 0. Then BC minus AD by AB plus 4AD minus 5BC by 2AB should be equal to 0. So taking LCM, 2AB, we have 2BC minus 2AD plus 4AD minus 5BC is equals to 0. So 2BC minus 5BC is minus 3BC, minus 2AD plus 4AD is plus 2AD, and क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने पर डिनोमिनेटर 0 हो जाएगा. Therefore we have 2AD is equals to 3BC. हमें फाइंड करना है 2AD by BC is equals to how much. Therefore 2AD by BC is equals to 3. Hence the answer is 3.